Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring Progress Bar widget and Tkinter, which is essential for creating interactive and responsive Python application. So whether you are showing any task completion, download progress, or any form filling, you can witness these widgets over there, or you can make these widgets in your application as well. So let's dive into the topic and learn how to create and control the progress bar in Tkinter. So basically, firstly, we have to understand what is progress bar basically. So progress bar can be said as usually represents that progress of a task over a time. In Python, it's with Tkinter's TTK module, and we can easily create both modes, determinate mode and indeterminate mode. These are the two modes that are here that we can operate in progress bar. So firstly, we have to understand that what is determinate mode and what is indeterminate mode. So in a very simple way, in a very simple language, determinate mode is a mode there you can see progress from starting to the end of the program control. Whereas in indeterminate mode, you can see the progress. It is in this mode the program and application make user believe that something is happening, something is in a progress, and in this mode, our indicator, our green lines are getting bounced back like this, but not starting from this to this. This is just bouncing back here again and again. This is what indeterminate mode does. It basically does an animation in the progress bar. And in determinate mode, it doesn't go for any animation, it just show the progress is happening and it basically works on the percentage. Like 0 to 100. We have to give a range here. We don't have to give a range here. We have different criteria over here in this mode. We'll learn all these in this video, complete in this video. So basically what we will going to learn in this video, first we will learn these two modes and the code of these two modes. Secondly, we can see how these are being used in day-to-day life. So let's get started. So basically, this is a syntax of this overall mode. In widget object, we can mention as a progress bar is equals to progress bar, or we can give it a name, progress bar a name like widget. We can give it a name as a widget. Then parent is we can write the root, and then options we have the options like orient length mode. In mode we'll mention our mode like interminate mode, determinate mode, and in length we can mention 100, 20, 30, 40 length are there. And orient we can mention horizontal, vertical, something like that. So this is whole that comes in a syntax of this progress bar. So I hope I'm very much clear till now. If you have any doubt till now, then just let me know in the comment section below. Now moving forward, here you can see this. These are the two screenshots of the two modes. Here you can see this is the interminate mode. Here you can see this is getting bounced back, and here in this mode, this is getting starting from here and it will end here. So these are the two examples of the screenshots that we're going to learn in this complete video. So guys, मैं ये उम्मीद कर रही हूँ कि दोनों के दोनों modes clear हो गए हैं. So would like to explain in the Hindi as well. In determinate mode, इस मोड में आपका जो widget होता है वो आपको शो करता है आपका प्रोग्रेस स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड का प्रोग्राम कंट्रोल. और वहीं अगर हम बात करें दूसरे मोड की, तो इस मोड में आपको एनिमेशन के जरिए शो किया जाता है, आपको विश्वास दिलाया जाता है कि आपका वो जो कुछ प्रोग्रेस में है वो बाउंस बैक हो रहा है, बट एक्चुअली ये प्रोग्रेस में है. ये दिस इज बी गेटिंग इनटू द माइंड ऑफ द यूजर, और ये एक्चुअली इसमें हो रहा होता है. सो बेसिकली दीज आर द स्क्रीनशॉट्स. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, दीज आर द रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स जो आपने देखे भी होंगे अपनी रियल लाइफ में. फॉर एग्जांपल, आप गूगल फॉर्म फिल कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे भी आपको लास्ट में सेक्शन में मिलता है प्रोग्रेस. आप जैसे एक पेज फिल करके आगे बढ़े, नेक्स्ट पेज पे गए, तो वहां पे आपको उस पेजेस में आपका मिलता है कि आपको प्रोग्रेस 70% है वो 80 हो गया, 90% है 100 हो गया, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो बेसिकली this method is being used widely a lot of time. So without wasting time, we'll move forward to the code. Okay. So टाइम वेस्ट ना हो इसके लिए मैंने पहले से ही कुछ थोड़ा कोड अपना कंप्लीट कर लिया है. हमने हमारे इसी चैनल के प्रोजेक्ट में बनाना शुरू किया है. ये है हमारा प्रोग्रेस बार. इसकी फाइल बनाई है इनडिटरमाइन की, और ये डिटरमाइन की है. So we'll start with indetermined. So how we can do this? Very simple. We have this particular syntax, this particular line, जो कि हम हमेशा लिखते ही हैं टीटीके के मॉड्यूल में है, तो हमारे पास ये होगा ही। टाइम हम इसमें इसलिए यूज कर रहे हैं बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमें टाइम मेंशन करना हो सकता है, कुछ कोड्स हमें चाहिए हो सकते हैं इसमें, लाइक 02 कुछ स्लीपिंग टाइम होगा, उसके लिए हम यहाँ पे ये यूज कर रहे हैं। अभी हम आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे कोड की तरफ। ओके, सो पहला हमारा है इसमें root title, progress bar, and then geometry. Now we have to start writing main window हमारा आई थिंक बन चुका है यहाँ पे, राइट? So we don't have to make a main window. We just have to start with the progress bar. In determined. Okay, so okay, so now we will move forward. Now we have to start our code with name. In deter, we can just give it a different name. We'll give a name in deter. In deter underscore bar equals to tk dot progress bar. Here you can see its progress bar is there. Then we'll write root orient. Then we'll just write horizontal. Then we'll give it a length. We'll have to do it fast. We have to write a lot of code here. Then we'll give a mode. In terminate. That's it. Now we have to close this. Dot back. So we have packed our very first. We have packed our first in return and progress bar. Now we have to create a function to start end and stop. Now we'll make a function first. जो हमने शुरू किया था वो start this mode end this mode, उसके लिए अभी हमें यहाँ पे एक function बनाना पड़ेगा. So we'll start with this def start underscore then we'll write here in start. After this, we'll mention here, we'll give it a time rather 10. हमें से speed assign करनी पड़ती है. So this is the speed of moving bar. I'm writing it here. Speed of moving bar. We can less it हमारे usage के according. Now we have to stop. Now, after stopping it, we have to start it again. Like we'll do this in it. सो दैट्स इट स्टॉप करने के लिए इसको स्पीड देने की ऐसा जरूरत नहीं है तो फंक्शन हमारा बन चुका है यहाँ पे अब हमें बटन्स बनाने हैं टू गिव द कमांड सो विल मेक बटन्स हियर start editor then we'll mention here as button then just make a different a little change here is equals to okay not button then we'll write root text as start guys I'm getting a little start then done we're done here with this then we have to pack it start underscore editor dot pack paddy is equals to 20 done so we are done with okay let's change the paddy row to 5 up to not 20 is mentioned as a 5 okay then now we have to make a new button with this stop editor is equals to tk dot button then we mention root text is equals to stop then we'll have to close this stop editor dot back then we have to do a padding paddy of 5 right and done so here we are done with the code okay I wanted to because I know there is some error I just wanted you guys to mention those errors what is the error that is being here and how can we resolve all those errors found the error guys if you found the error then just comment down below otherwise I'm starting here I'm just mentioning the error now so yeah done now we have done with the code now we have to run this code to see how it's working how it's getting done how it's getting work how it's getting done now we have to start it guys I wanted to start okay guys I think we have to I think we should change this uh, name of this right so let's change this I'm not feeling कि ये चलेगा या नहीं but let's look at this okay so we are done here now we have to make some little changes here as well Okay. So we are done here. Now we have to just complete run this. For I in range, then we'll mention here our max value, max underscore value, then plus one. Okay. Then we'll make here a progress bar. Then again we'll mention here the value. Then again we have to mention here one. Now we'll do a root update here by writing this. Now root update underscore idle task. This basically updates the UI. Okay, guys. So let me tell you one thing that this first line mentioned here, this I in range max value plus one line shows you the range from 0 to 100, and this method, this line that you're seeing here, root dot update dot underscore ideally task. This basically used here to keep responsive GUI responsive as a progress updates, and the time of a sleep is here according to this like 0.05 to slow down progress so it's visible. So basically, this particular line is being used here to keep GUI responsive as a progress updates and time sleep 0.05 to slow down the progress so it is visible. Okay, so this is all that this line means here in this code. Now moving forward again, now we'll go ahead here. I'll mention time sleep here now. I've told you this before, but we'll mention your time sleep here. We can set any time sleep according to our requirements, but I'm mentioning here this simulate work with the dealer to show that it is getting started, because कोई भी action बहुत जल्दी से नहीं होता है. हम कोई file download करो तो it takes time to get download. Now we'll just make a button. हमें यहाँ स्टॉप बटन बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली हम एक बार एप्लीकेशन शुरू करेंगे ना हमारा काम हो जाएगा. स्टार्ट अंडरस्कोर बटन इज इक्वल्स टू tk dot button. Then we'll mention your root, then text, then here after this we'll mention your start, then we'll give it a command is equals to start progress bar and done. Then we'll close this button. Then we'll close this button with RE10 here. Yeah. So our button creation is done. Our function is done. Our max value is done. Now we have to move ahead. I think you guys must have witnessed here that this is an error. It's being mentioned here. Okay, let's do it again. Let's see how it comes. Okay, as I've already got to know that this will be an error. Line number 20, there is an error. Okay, let's see this in the error. So let's get into this. Okay, guys, so we are getting this error because this for loop is not in the right place. ये सही जगह नहीं है. अगर ये होता तो ये नहीं होता. So this is a right place. इंडेंटेशन की वजह से इसने शो कर दिया कि दिस मैक्स वैल्यू इज नॉट डिफाइंड, दिस शोज दैट नेम एरर इज हियर, नेम एरर यहाँ पे. सो एरर वाज राइट. ओके, सो हमारा एरर सॉर्ट हो गया है. नाउ वी हैव टू रन इट टू सी ऐसा हमारा बुक हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है एग्जैक्टली. अगेन वी हैव एन एरर हियर. Indentation error expected an indentation block after for statement on line number 20. Here, this indent is not being accepted. Okay, so still it's showing us an error. Okay, let's see where it takes. This is how an indent error done. हमने वहां भी गलती की, इसके बाद हमने यहाँ पे सही भी नहीं किया. So obviously we have to get this error here. Yeah. So अब हमारा कोड वर्क करेगा प्रॉपरली. So let's get this done. Done. Start, and here we can see this is working. बट हाँ, जो हमारा ये प्रोग्रेस बार चल रहा है तो हमारा और भी कोई और फंक्शन, ये हमारा टैब यहाँ से शिफ्ट कहीं हो गया. दैट्स ऑल. सो स्टार्ट पे क्लिक कर दिया है बट ये बहुत स्लो स्पीड से हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके, लेट्स गेट इट रन अगेन. Okay, guys, so it is taking a lot of time here, we can see. So our progress bar is currently very much slow here. We can see start पे क्लिक करने के बावजूद भी it is so slow. Okay, so this is what progress bar determine what progress bar does. It just fills this up green wala till here according to the screenshot that I've shown you in the beginning. This is what this particular determined progress bar does, but at this point of time, it's not working at all. Let's try on IDLE as well to see is there anything serious with the Python, because I think our code is perfectly fine, our code is perfectly good and running. Now we have to just do this. Let's change the file here and let's run module file save करनी पड़ेगी run में. And your file save. Let's say slug save run. Then again start. Yeah, it's a slow here as well. It means there is some kind of a error in the Python only, because we don't have any error in our application as such, in our code as such. Otherwise, it must have been there. We can have seen here. But I hope कि ये जो टॉपिक था ये क्लियर हो गया हो. ये जो मेन कोड का जो मेन बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर था कि कैसे कैसे हम चीजें ये मैनेज करते हैं, कैसे कैसे हमारा ये दो मोड्स हैं जिनको हम ऑपरेट करके कि प्रोग्रेस बार अपने एप्लीकेशंस में शो कर सकते हैं. आई होप कि ये चीजें क्लियर हो गई हो, और अगर हाँ हो गई हो तो प्लीज टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस. प्लीज स्टे ट्यून विद मी एंड बाय बाय, टेक केयर.